Hey guys, David from Menching Music here, just to show you a couple things about the RC1 Boss Looper pedal. Probably the easiest looper pedal that you can have, that you can get and play by yourself. Now, when I say it's easy, I mean it's just one button that you're clicking on and off. So as long as you have the proper chords and everything, you're going to be able to have a lot of fun with this. Now I do want to tell you, you want to make sure that if you have a distortion pedal that you want to use with the looper pedal, you want to put that before the looper pedal. So it'll go guitar into your distortion box, then from that box into your RC1, and then that into your amplifier, just so that it's not putting that effect on every layer that you're putting it on. So that'll just put it on that one layer, then you bank that into the RC1, you're good to go. Now, with this, it is as simple as stepping on it once to create your first layer, your main layer there, and then you want to end it on beat. So as soon as you're getting to the end of that phrase, you want to close it. Now this thing can hold up to 12 minutes of music approximately, so that means that you can pretty much play Freebird on it by yourself. Now today we will not be putting any kind of Freebird through this. I'm just going to mess around, I'll show you. So you'll start on your downstroke or upstroke, you want to start on the beat. So here we go. Then you have a little bit of a level dial on there too, in case you need to raise the volume of that layer or even lower it later on. Now after you put down your first layer, you can add another one, or what I like to do with this pedal, it's really great for kind of increasing your improvisation. It'll let you play solos for hours as long as you got the juice and the battery, or you can get a power adapter to plug it in. That's what I usually will do. So you can never really lock down how much time it's going to take you to find your preferred riffs and licks for some sort of song. So this one, if we did want to put something over top, we could put a little bass line or something. Yeah, that's on there. Now if you think, hey, I don't like that on there, you can take off that last layer that you put on just by pressing and holding it once. Now the funky bass line is out of there, and you can just pretty much noodle until people tell you to be quiet. You're all done, doesn't matter how many layers you have on there, as long as you step on it, hit it twice, and on the second deep press you want to hold it, and that'll take care of all the layers on there. Hold it, press, hold it twice, everything's gone. It's one of the easiest ones to use. I highly recommend it for any kind of beginner player, or even somebody that wants to get more into soloing or lead work. It's going to help you out tremendously. You can find this at any one of our locations for Menching Music. That being said, I'm David. Keep on playing. Thank you.